Nothing crazy. I'm still learning how to weld aluminium, but it looks pretty good to me. I should definitely, what I learned from this one was, I think I need to put like tacks every 100 mil just to minimize warping, but there's not too much warping in it anyway. So, yeah. Alright, that's as good as it's gonna get. I gave up in the end. I dipped the tungsten in the pool like 3 times. I've been here since midday. It's been 36 degrees all day. I'm not dealing with it. That's good enough. So this is actually going to be an exhaust port for an AC unit that's going above the roller door, because I've got a 45mm gap. Here's the AC unit. I've got nowhere else I can have the exhaust port. So you can see there's a gap there. Basically, I'll show you if I can. You've got the ribs on the roofing, right? So these slide into those ribs. And because it's aluminium, it's pretty light. So now all I have to do is get a flexible exhaust duct that goes from 100mm down to 200, which is, so you've got 200 on this unit. So it's a fucking massive one. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the AC unit on that vending machine. So it's only gonna be a meter of, actually not even, because look how tall that thing is. So that AC unit will probably reach up to that bottom brace, sorry, up to that top brace, and then I'll just have like a meter of ducting or less. Yeah, because I'm not working in here in summertime without an AC. Fuck that. So I've already test fitted this, but I'll show you obviously as soon as I test fit it. And yeah, so that clears the roller door by heaps. And there's my exhaust, and I think that is a pretty big surface area, if you ask me. Like that's probably close to that 210 tube. That's it, I'm going home. I feel like a fucking boiled lobster.